Guys, this is the crab how I cook the style of Bisaya Filipino style. This is the the kalan oven of the charcoal, coconut charcoal here in Dirty Kitchen. This is a charcoal. That's why I use the coconut charcoal. In this I cook also the crab cooked by coconut milk, fresh coconut milk from my own coconut. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is a post for by YouTube. Thank you for watching and